Ever wondered what would happen if you laced up your running shoes and hit the pavement every day for 30 days straight? Well, in this video, we're diving deep into the top 10 benefits your body will experience from running consistently for a month. Trust me, by the end, you'll be itching to start your own 30-day challenge. First up, running daily is like giving your heart a powerful workout. Just 30 minutes a day can drastically improve your cardiovascular health. Studies show that even a short daily run can reduce the risk of heart disease and lower blood pressure. One of the most visible benefits, weight loss. Running is a calorie-torching activity, burning anywhere from 220 to 400 calories in just half an hour, depending on your pace and weight. Stick to it, and you could see a noticeable difference in your weight by the end of the month. Ever heard of the runner's high? Running triggers the release of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that help combat stress, anxiety, and even depression. Over 30 days, you'll likely notice a significant boost in your mood and mental well-being. Worried about your bones and joints? Regular running strengthens your bones by increasing bone density, making them more resilient. Plus, your joints adapt to the consistent impact, which can actually make them stronger over time. Contrary to the myth that running ruins your knees, if you've been struggling with sleep, running could be the solution. Consistent exercise, like daily running, has been linked to better sleep quality. You'll fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. While running isn't going to bulk you up like weightlifting, it's great for toning muscles, especially in your legs and core. Over 30 days, you'll notice improved muscle definition and a significant boost in endurance. Running also gives your lungs a workout. Over the course of 30 days, your lung capacity increases, meaning you can take in more oxygen with each breath. This translates to better stamina, not just in running, but in daily activities too. Your metabolism gets a significant boost from running. As you build more muscle and burn more calories, your body continues to burn more even when you're at rest, helping you maintain or lose weight more effectively. Running every day builds mental toughness. Each day you push through the discomfort, you're training your mind to be more resilient. This discipline spills over into other areas of your life, making you more determined and focused. Finally, after 30 days of running, your overall health improves. You'll likely feel more energized, confident, and ready to take on new challenges. Plus, the habit of running can set the stage for a lifelong commitment to fitness. So, there you have it. 30 days of running can transform your body and mind in amazing ways. If you're ready to take on the challenge, hit that like button, subscribe, and start your journey today. And don't forget to share your progress in the comments below. Let's run together.